Seeking happiness amidst the trouble. I'm reaching out for this against the struggle. Visions of how it should be got me drinking double. And finding out what pieces fit can be a dangerous puzzle. Admittedly, I ain't been perfect, all my flaws recorded. Friends I need the most lately ain't been that supportive. I feel like I need a break or just a fucking sign. Cause I know when they play they tape, that shit ain't touching mine. It's flaws, nigga. Yeah. I feel like I'm solar powered, the sun making me darker. These clouds gotta clear faster. I'm wrestling with my dreams in relationship to my future. Only thing I can count on is my patience and my computer. I'm usually bringing good vibes, trying to get back to that and having a good time. I'm making space for the happiness that I could find. I'm trying to get back on track and make it for good this time. Ice cream sundae, run way down a one way. I get it right one day, I get it right one day. And where it was some say, still do it how I wanna do it, still do it how I wanna do it. I'm saving room for dessert and I need all them toppings. I'm talking big shit poppin'. When it come down to it, I know can't nobody top it. And they ain't never gonna stop it, oh no. What's the price of reflecting? What's the price of a section? I'm comparing investments, I'm prepared for the blessings. I'm aware that I'm destined and effort's gonna yield a harvest. Whether or not you see it, evidence here regardless. Lately I've been discouraged, I'm trying to think positive. Lately I'm feeling like I'm running out of oxygen. Don't see the light at the end of the tunnel opposite, but I keep running till something triggers my confidence. That's the best I can do, till the blessings accrue. Gotta reach for the truth, till my ego removed. Been through hell with a view, tell that girl to come through. Tell the world to salute, I prevail in the few. Banging Mahalia Jackson, my soul need to feel something. I gotta stick to my roots and make sure the veil love it. I gotta stick with the truth until it reveals something. Through all the blood and the bruises, you know I'm still coming. Come Sunday, run way down a one way. I get it right one day, I get it right one day. Ain't worried what some say. Still do it how I wanna do it, still do it how I wanna do it. I'm saving room for dessert and I need all them toppings. I'm talking big shit poppin'. When it come down to it, I know can't nobody top it. And they ain't never gonna stop it, oh no.
Yeah, you know, we still shining. You know, we still shining. You know, we still shining.
What?
cry cause it's over, smile cause it happened. Yeah, don't cry cause it's over, smile cause it happened. When I was young, I hit the road like a prodigal son. Rode to the chronicles done, then dove into the next one. The odyssey's fun, but challenging, like balancing on tight ropes and cyclones or straddling the underground and high road. Pyrotechnics exploded, hieroglyphics decoded. Try to be a poet, that's psycho, but didn't know it. Now I feel like Johnny Cash, a real insomniac. At night, my mind's spinning like wheels on Pontiacs. But when I finally crash, I got dreams like Otis Redding. No forgetting, dreams to remember. And so I'm betting that my flow is headed in my soul's direction. No compass, following the funk like drum kits and trumpets. And once it's over, I'll ride into the sunset. But I'm never done yet. Watch me rise like the undead. A moment's just a moment, but the now lasts forever. We on this golden brick road, let's walk the path together. Don't cry cause it's over, smile cause it happened. While I'm unraveling the miles I've been traveling, I see the future never happen how we imagine. Just lean back, enjoy it right now and keep laughing, yeah. Don't cry cause it's over, smile cause it happened. While I'm unraveling the miles I've been traveling, I see the future never happen how we imagine. Just lean back, enjoy it right now and keep laughing. This is for the wandering stars, spiritual bedouins, fed up with settling. Sails set up for the second wind, for veteran path crafters. Laughter is the medicine that let us win when battling the wish I could's and never been's. Ever since Hendrix and the beat poets broke down the elements, the status quo was eroded. Now we free floated, hybrid of laughing gas and helium, blasting past the ceiling in a masterclass experience. The aftermath is medium, lukewarm at best. Half a glass of tedium, I left that uniform a mess. I'm on a unicorn quest, got dragons to slay. Use books for maps and ask Bilbo Baggins the way. Inhale the wizard smoke and ate the caterpillar toadstools to keep from going postal back in the old school. It's so cool the way the path is bending. Good at pretending, but I'm no fool. I know the crooked path got the happy end. Don't cry cause it's over, smile cause it happened. While I'm unraveling the miles I've been traveling, I see the future never happen how we imagine. Just lean back, enjoy it right now and keep laughing. Yo, don't cry cause it's over, smile cause it happened.
Welcome sight it is to see you. All I want is to be with you. Honey, when you coming home? Seeing you again is a welcome sign. Seeing you again is a welcome sign. Let the sun shine down on the goodness of each other. Constantly in awe and wonder of all the little things that make up the magic between us. Seeing you again is a welcome sign.
c'est pas fini comme ça. Moi j'en peux plus, basta. On coule à l'eau, lâche le marteau, arrête de t'en prendre à moi. Je me demande pourquoi j'ai tellement du mal à décrocher. Mais c'est pas facile, surtout quand j'évite la vérité. Oh non, j'ai pas fini d'être blessée par tes mots, non. Je me perds dans une transe et c'est pas beau. Ce complot qui se tient dans mon cerveau, je vois que oh non, c'est l'effet domino. L'effet domino. L'effet domino. Ce complot qui se tient dans mon cerveau, je vois que oh non, c'est l'effet domino. C'est comme si je me mutilais moi-même. Je ne sais pas bien résoudre mes problèmes. Ça c'est sûr, oh non. Je garde la bouche fermée quand j'ai envie de hurler. Je ne sais pas bien résoudre mes problèmes. Non, non. Oh non, j'ai pas fini